Nĩ Kiungano kiria gikurehete hamwe athikabu 28 a kanitha wa gatoreki muoroto munene ari kwariria mathina matiganite maria magumiire bururi.
The present political climate offers a wonderful opportunity.
Na ndamathia ya ungumania yeyumiria ri ta thina munene uria uracokia bururi na thutha. Guku thirikari cia kaunti na ruhonge rwa boriithi igiukirirwo hari gukorwo itongoretie na ciko cia ungumania.
Kenyans are yearning for quality services, for security, and for equitable distribution of resources.
Handu-ini hakio kiungano giki nikioriria arugamiriria thirikari cia kaunti ihuthire mbeca icio kwagirithia miturire ya andu aria mamathurire handu-ini ha kuhuthira mbeca icio kwiguna o ene. Guku ruhonge rwa boriithi rukiorio gwithema na woi wa mahaki.
It is no longer about service delivery and professionalism, but our turn to eat.
Oho athikabu aya ni moririe thirikari yo ikionereria kia mabũrũri ma South Korea na Brazil kuria atongoria hau kabere aria maugumanetie marikitie kuohwo.
All those who are benefiting from corrupt practices should take note of what is happening in other countries where even presidents are being prosecuted for their past corrupt deals. Any country condoning corruption will continue to remain poor.
No na kuri oguo athikabu ani magathiririe unyitaniri wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga makiuga ikinya riri nirikunyitithania bururi kuria uragayukanitio ni uteti.
We note that their coming together was and will continue to be good for the country.
Mwenini wake munini wa muikariri giti Rev John Obala ni oritie atongoria ciama cia arutani a university mekirire githomo kia arutwo ithenyeni ria kwenda kwihangira o ene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.